Hello witches and wizards, and welcome to Lovegood Bath Potions' first YouTube video. This video is going to be about me doing the 500 bath bomb challenge. The first step was to order the supplies, and I had to wait around 2 weeks until all of them came in. If you've never made bath bombs before, the weather has a huge impact on how they're going to come out. In my case, I live in Phoenix, Arizona, and it was February, so it's pretty rainy, which can crack and destroy your bath bombs. So I had to make my bath bombs during certain times of the day, and I had to check the weather constantly. And of course, as soon as I was done making, the weather went right back to 75 every single day, and there was no humidity. Over 9 days to finish making them. After everything was hardened and dry, that's when I began painting. I used sponges and fine point brushes for this. It took me only 3 days, but I was rushing to try and get the painting done since I was a little behind from the making process. I painted over 9 hours a day, which doesn't sound too difficult, but it is very mind-numbing, let me tell you. When I have to paint 500 of the same thing for 9 hours at a time, I get pretty sick of it pretty quickly. After all of the painting was done, it was time to start shrink wrapping, which is honestly probably my least favorite part of all of this. It's very boring, very time consuming. It took me about 5 days to do. Once I was done wrapping and using the heat gun, it was time to move on to tagging each of the bath bombs. Then it was time to package them. I used these 5" by 7" bubble bags. I got them on Amazon. They come with this little adhesive strip on the top that you can peel off and seal it up. You don't have to use any tape or glue, which makes this super quick and easy. If you guys would like to know all the supplies that I use, I'm going to put them down in the description box below. If you guys would like to do the 500 bath bomb challenge yourself, I definitely recommend it. It's so much fun. Only thing is, it's very expensive, and it takes a lot of time and a lot of patience to complete, but it's totally worth it. I would definitely recommend it. Huge thank you to AccioBox. They are the sponsors to this video. If you guys don't know what AccioBox is, it is a monthly subscription box made by Potterheads for Potterheads, which is right up my alley. It's literally perfect. I have ordered a couple of these boxes myself, and I can tell you personally that they do put a lot of time and love and thought into these boxes, just like the artists that are making the items to go inside of these boxes. I'm so thankful for AccioBox for supporting my business. It's amazing. They were one of the first people to do a huge wholesale order with me, and that was back in September. And ever since then, I've just been growing, and they've been growing, and it's amazing. Until next time.